Oh, hi there. It's me, Mr. Brown. I'm here with another video music lesson. You'll have to excuse me though. I was eating some jelly. Some jelly in a bowl. You remember our poem from last time? Jelly in a bowl? Well, let's see if you remember. Let's try it together. Ready? Here we go. Jelly in a bowl. Jelly in a bowl. Wiggle waggle, jelly in a bowl. Now let me ask you some questions. Do you remember how many phrases, how many parts there are to jelly in a bowl? There are 4 parts. And do you remember the form of jelly in a bowl? The form, starting with the first part, is A, B, A. We practiced that a whole bunch in the last video. Today we're going to spend some time practicing the rhythm of jelly in a bowl. The rhythm is the timing of the music. You could also say it's the way the words go. Today we're going to practice the rhythm in a variety of ways. We're going to start off just by clapping the rhythm. It's going to sound like this. I'll do it by myself. Listen and see if you can hear the words of the rhythm, even though I'm not saying it. Listen. Could you hear the words in your head? Let me quiz you, see if you can. I'm going to clap a rhythm, and I want you to think about, is this part A, jelly in a bowl, or is this part B, wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle? Listen. What is this? That was jelly in a bowl. That was A. How about this one? Part B, right? Now I don't have to use my hands. I don't have to clap my hands to do the rhythm. I could use other methods. What about this? Is this A or B? Listen. Part B, right? Wiggle, waggle, wiggle, waggle. How about this one? Jelly in a bowl. It was A. Good. So you can hear the rhythm, hopefully, between A and B. Now, back to clapping. I'll clap, you clap back to me. Notice I'm clapping it and saying it at the same time. After me, listen first. Jelly in a bowl. My turn. Jelly in a bowl. My turn. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle. Jelly in a bowl. Jelly in a bowl. It helps as we're learning to clap the rhythm to say the words as we do it. Let's try the whole poem. We're saying the words and clapping at the same time. Try it with me. Here we go. Jelly in a bowl. Jelly in a bowl. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle. Jelly in a bowl. Let's try it again. This time, take away the words. Listen once as I do it. I'm going to do it by myself. Listen how the clapping matches up with the syllables of the words. Listen first. Do that together. Here we go. How'd you do? Let's practice again. This time, you can't see it, but I'm going to pat on my lap. So, pat it on your lap. Here we go. This time, on our shoulders. Try it with me. Here we go. If that one was hard, let's try patting them both at the same time. Ready? Do it again. Here we go. This time we're going to have a musical conversation. We're going to take turns. I get to do part A by myself. I'm going to clap it, and I'll say it. You get to do part B by yourself. When it's your turn, you're going to go wiggle, waggle, wiggle, waggle. That's all you get to do. See if you can figure out where it goes. I'm part A, you're B. Here I go. Jelly in a bowl, jelly in a bowl, jelly in a bowl. Did your part fit with mine? Let's try it again. This time, no words. We're not going to say it. We're going to say it in our head. I'm A, you're B. My turn, here I go. This time, you get to do A, I get to do B. It's always easier if we say the words as we clap it. So this time, when I say go, you're going to clap jelly in a bowl, jelly in a bowl. Then it's my turn to do part B, and then you'll do jelly in a bowl again. So you're A, I'm B. Clap it and say it. 1, 2, here you go. Wiggle, waggle, wiggle, waggle. Did your part fit with mine? Try it one more time. That's a lot trickier than the first way. You're A, I'm B. 1, 2, here you go. Wiggle, waggle, wiggle, waggle. Normally when I teach rhythms, I like to have kids use instruments. But we're not in the same room together, so I can't hand out some instruments. So I'm going to ask you to look around your house and see if you can find something you can use as an instrument. See, I looked around the room where I am, and I found some blocks. I kind of like the sound it makes. So that could work as my percussion instrument. I also have a couple spoons here. If you use spoons, make sure you get the jelly off it. Maybe it'll sound like this. Or does this sound better with the handles? I kind of like the eating part of the spoon. Or cup. I found a cup here. The important part is you want it to have an interesting sound. You know, if I use this, I don't really like this sound. So think about an instrument in your room. If you can't find an instrument, or you don't want to get off the couch, use your hands. That's an instrument too. So pause the video, find an instrument. Did you find an instrument? Well, let's go ahead and play Jelly in a Bowl. We'll perform the whole thing with whatever instruments you have. Play it with me. When we all do something together in music, we call it tootie. Let's do this tootie. Ready? And here we go. Jelly in a bowl, jelly in a bowl. Wiggle, waggle, jelly in a bowl. Again. Terrific. This time, let's have a musical conversation. I'll choose a different instrument. I'm going to be part A. You are part B. So, wait for your turn and you play wiggle, waggle, wiggle, waggle. I'm A, you're B. My turn, here I go. Jelly in a bowl, jelly in a bowl, jelly in a bowl. Again. All right, so this next challenge is much harder. You're A, I'm B. Get your instrument ready. I wasn't crazy about this instrument. Let me find another one here. I'll try the blocks. And you're A, I'm B. 1, 2, here you go. Way to go today. Nice job. We're improving our rhythm skills. We're having fun. And I will see you on the next video. Don't forget that poem, by the way, because we might need it on the next video. So if you'll excuse me, I'm starving. Have a lot more jelly to finish. See you next time. Very good.